Good morning. So, we are going to do Saxon, and this is day two. I've broken it up into 3 days just because it is so much. Okay, so I want you to echo these words: cane, these, like, rope, and mule. Okay, let's look at these words. I need to make me a dry erase board. I left mine at work. Okay, look at these words. What do we notice about these words? What do they all have in common? They all end on an E. What do we know about this E? What does it do? Some of us know. Okay, so let's look at them. When there is an E at the end of an English word, it is usually silent and it makes this vowel say its name. It's a long A. Because we know with Saxon, this word right here, if we have a vowel followed by a consonant, it's short. So k and can. So this would be k and knee. That's not canny. When we have an E at the end, it makes this vowel say its name if there is only one sound between them. Okay? So let's look. To code a silent E, we mark it out so we know not to say it. We don't scribble it out, we just put one line. And then the vowel gets a macron. Okay? So it can make this vowel say its name if there's only one sound between them. So n. N is the sound between the vowel and the E. Okay? These. Z is the only sound between this vowel and the sneaky E. We call it a sneaky E. In kindergarten and first grade, that's what you called it, was a sneaky E. Here, there's only one sound between the I and the E. Rope, there's only one sound. And mule, there's only one sound. Okay? So, let's finish coding these. That gets a K back. This, these, these. That's That's an unvoiced TH, and that's a Z sound. Oh, I did that wrong. I should have done it in pencil. It's a straight line. Y'all probably knew that. Like is good. Rope is good. Mule is good. Okay? So let's look at our rule card. So this is the vowel. V is vowel. The one sound between and then the E. This is how you see it. So a vowel followed by a consonant. That's the consonant. Vowel, consonant, and a silent E is long. So a vowel followed by a consonant and silent E is long. The vowel is long. Code the word with the macron and cross out the silent E. So here's this: hope, name, rule, and theme. There's only one sound between that vowel and the E on the end. Okay? Let's look at another word. Look at this word. What is that word? But no, No. So this E, does it say anything? It doesn't. But this word is not bath. This word is bath. This word. Think about our new rule. There's two letters here, but how many sounds are here? Just one. Bathe. It's just one sound. So that's a sneaky E that makes that A say its name. Bathe. Bathe. Here's another one. And adults have trouble with this, and sometimes I do too. But I didn't ever know it was just one sound between them. Like I'm telling you, I'm learning this with you. Okay? Breathe. A lot of adults get this mixed up. Which one's breathe? Which one's breath? Okay? You will later learn that these two sounds together make one sound, a long E sound, E. Okay? But here it doesn't. So here is our one sound between this vowel and this. So it's breathe. And this is breath. But you'll learn those sounds later. Adults have trouble with that too. Sometimes I did. Not this word, but I never knew why. Isn't that crazy? Saxon is crazy. I'm finally learning how I can read all these words. So let's look at another one. To fully do this one, Valgraph or digraph TH. Okay. Let's look at this word. We should know what this word is. Okay. How many sounds are between the E and the O? There are two sounds. Or, right? So the sneaky E is too far away and it can't boss that vowel around to make it long. So we know this word is horse though, and it is an E. It's just not a sneaky E. Okay? Got it? Okay. That's it for today. We'll finish up this lesson tomorrow. Okay? Good job.